Welcome guys, welcome back to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog guys. So today guys, I'm back in the kitchen guys. As you guys know, it's Christmas, and before I proceed with this video and show you what we're gonna be making in this video here for Christmas, I just want to say to you guys from the DS from the Lifestyle Vlog family, to you guys family out there, a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and hope you guys enjoy to the fullest. So all right guys, so in this video guys, I am in the kitchen here preparing our Christmas dinner. So we have some curry goat that we're gonna be making. We have chicken that I'm gonna be baking in the oven also. In this pot over here, on the stove here, we have some red peas here what I have soaking out over here. But I'm gonna put a couple pieces of garlic in there and get that on the road. And we have some sauce there that I whipped up earlier on, and that sauce guys is actually for the ham that I have here in the oven here going, right? So all of this guys, I'm gonna show you guys step by step coming up in this video. So they stay tuned guys. All right guys, welcome back. So guys, so we have the chicken here that we actually gonna get prepared and ready to actually go into the oven guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this pineapple here guys. We're gonna use this pineapple here, and we're gonna show you guys exactly how we're gonna prepare this pineapple roast chicken guys. And trust me, it's gonna be epic. All right guys, so we have the some red potato over here, we have some corn, we have some bell pepper, sweet bell pepper here, and we have some carrot, and we have some jerk season here that we're gonna use and glaze over these that gonna be in the roasting pan with the chicken and the pineapple guys. You guys had seen to make other pineapple dish before, but this one guys gonna be different and unique. So let's stay tuned guys, and I will show you guys step by step how we're gonna be preparing this pineapple roast chicken guys. All right, stay tuned guys. All right guys, welcome back guys. So yes guys, so go ahead guys, and we actually get our pineapple ready guys. If you guys can see the way how we created the pineapple here guys, right? So actually what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna actually take the chicken itself, right, and we're gonna sand it right over the pineapple here guys, right? And then we're gonna get our tie strap and strap it together, right? And all of these other ingredients we're gonna put in the roasting pan with it also too guys, and let this do its thing guys. And for this that we have here guys, we're not gonna throw it away. We're gonna use this for a decoration when the chicken is finished roasting guys. So stay tuned, and you will see all of this in a bit. Stay tuned guys. All right guys, so this is actually what it's gonna look like in the roasting pan guys. So we use actually the pineapple guys for the base, and as you guys can see the way how we carve the pineapple and stuff it right up into the chicken guys. So all that juicy pineapple flavor guys gonna actually burst inside of this chicken carcass inside guys, and you will see guys, you guys will see the result after it's finished. It's gonna be amazing with the corn in the roasting pan and the potatoes and all that guys. So this is something unique guys, very unique guys. So if you notice guys, we just take the skin off the bottom piece of the pineapple here, and the reason being for that guys, when you go into the oven guys, we don't, because the pineapple gonna get cooked, so we don't want it to fall apart. So the skin actually gonna hold the pineapple base together. So that's why we have to take the skin off the pineapple guys down here. We just leave it like that, and just to hold it firm in the roasting pan, because that's the way it's gonna sit in the oven upright just like that. So let's stay tuned guys, let's stay tuned. This one gonna be epic, me I tell you guys, epic. So stick and stay, guys, and remember to like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the DS Family Lifestyle vlog that we are doing great over here, guys. And if you guys haven't connect to the DS Family Lifestyle vlog as yet, what are you waiting for? What are you guys waiting for? We're doing great over here. And if you guys haven't connected to the DS Real Talk TV as yet, feel free, guys, to go ahead and connect to the DS Real Talk TV, guys. A lot of epic content coming up in the new year, guys. So they stick and stay. I'll be right back. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. So yes, so guys. So this is actually a little sneak peek of actually what the ham is looking like. Right? It's actually getting there. It's not completed as yet, but we take it out to actually paste it a little bit more, and before we actually add the pineapple and the actually cherries and all that decorated, guys. So we just take it out to take a look at it, but this is what it looked like so far, guys. And trust me, this is a big beautiful ham. This is what we're gonna have for Christmas. All right, guys, so just stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. So yes guys, so there you have it. So we have our ham here, guys. Nice and beautiful. It's done, ready to serve. As you guys can see there with the pineapple and the cherries. We have some clove that we slice it and stuck inside of it there to give it some flavor. So yes, guys. So just stay tuned for the rest of the presentation, guys. Trust me. It's gonna be a bright Christmas for us. Here we're gonna, feast. So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Check in back. So yes, guys. So there you have your chicken right there, guys. It's coming along beautifully, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. As I told you guys about the you know, what they're gonna look like. So this is like a sneak peek, guys, that I'm actually showing you guys a sneak peek, guys, with all the corn and potatoes and all that stuff is in the bottom there, guys, soaking up all that, pineapple flavor and everything, guys. Yeah, so it's not completed as yet, guys. Don't mind the noise of the pressure pot here. Have the curry goat here going in there. So yeah, so this is a little sneak peek of what it look like, guys. So I just take it out and paste the chicken a little bit with the pineapple sauce, to for it to catch that color. It almost finished, guys, almost. And over here on the stove here, we have the curry goat going here, and then the rice and peas, guys. I'm telling you, rice and peas turn up, nice and shelly, nice and shelly. So over in this little pot here, guys, little sauce here, we're gonna make some Barbie fried chicken. That's the sauce. We're gonna dip it in and put them in the oven afterwards, guys. So yeah, so just stick and stay, guys, stick and stay. And then I will show you guys, when it's completed and we actually made the presentation. So they stick and stay, guys. All right, stay tuned. Yes, guys, yes, guys, yes, guys. Welcome back, guys. So yes, guys, this is the grand finale right here, guys. This is a grand finale. So this is the actually presentation here that I was working on here, guys. As you can see, the pineapple there, guys. Remember I told you the head of the pineapple there. I'm gonna use it for some decoration. So there you guys have it there. That's the way it's supposed to look, guys. So we have the cake here, the Jamaican black cake, yeah, that my wife Sue had made. We have some rice and peas over here, and then we have some fried chicken a little bit, and we have some potato salad over there. We have some curry goat here, we have some veg here, and over here it's the prize right here. So we have our ham right here, guys. So yes, guys, so this is our Christmas dinner here, guys. This is our Christmas dinner here. So yes, it's a lot of work, we put into it, you know But yeah, so there you guys have it. We got the pineapple roast chicken there. And then we have our ham over there, we have the curry goat there, we have some fried chicken there. Yes, I'm telling you guys, this is what we're gonna have for our Christmas dinner. And guys, we still actually have the cereal that's actually in the fridge here. We didn't take it out, but yeah, we have some cereal that we're gonna be having, guys. So yeah, so this is actually what you know this is what our Christmas here look like, guys. Very, very beautiful setting. you know Very beautiful. Just remember, guys, to like, share, and comment and subscribe to the DS from the Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are doing great over here. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in another one. Bye.